Hey, just one potential got you for those who are thinking about converting from your existing phone system to voice over IP is that voice over IP phones require a 8-wire category 5 or better cable. So in this case, I've got an Avaya partner system, which is also known as a TDM phone. It means it's digital, it's not capable of data. And what I'm suspecting is behind this jack is probably a Cat3 cable. So what you should do is verify your cable. I'm going to take this jack. All right, so what I did was I took the screws out, I removed the faceplate. Let's take a look and see what kind of cable we got back here. Oh, look at that. It is a category 5, so we're in good shape. We just have to find out where the other end of that category 5 cable is. So that's good news. It's not always usually the case. Sometimes you end up with these category 3 or 3-pair or 2-pair wires, but this one will suffice. Just have to replace the jack with an RJ45 Cat5e or better.